people, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in. So in today's video, I will be sharing and talking about this beautiful unit from Hermosa hair. You guys already know this by now, but I love to share with you guys all the amazing goodies that I get in my package in hopes that y'all get the same thing. And I think Hermosa hair did a really good job with the goodies in this package. Like, are you kidding me? Brush set? That's crazy. So today's unit is a deep wave 26-inch unit, and it is a 8x5 lace. My favorite part on this unit is the fact that the lace is already cut and it looks so good, and also they bleached the knots. So as always, I love to share with you guys inside of the unit. It does come with a 22-inch adjustable strap at the back, so your unit is not going anywhere, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace. This is the perfect product, y'all, to tint the lace with. I've been loving this mousse by Eben. It is so easy to use, and girl, it does get the job done. This unit is a perfect wear and go unit, so that means you don't have to glue her down if you do not want to. Like, I have her on right now and she's not glued down. Girl, she still looks really nice. But in case you want to glue her down, you can add just a little bit of like an Eben spray on your hand and then just tap it on the lace and it's gonna melt down. Because I don't want that tinted mousse to transfer to my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my foundation powder, and after that you can go ahead and set this whole lace with your setting spray so you really don't have the product transferring to your skin. And just like that, the unit is on, y'all. I can't. Like, this unit is really an easy wear and go unit. And for her to be super long, 26 inches, y'all, is a long hair. Especially for me, I am a short girl, so it's extremely long to me. Nonetheless, y'all, I have been enjoying rocking this unit. She has been my go-to right now. I mean, if y'all have not seen her on Instagram, y'all seen her right here, but I've been rocking her non-stop. She's just super easy. So I wanted to glue her down because I wanted that lace to be melted down. So I'm grabbing my Eden spray and I'm just spraying this literally on top of the lace. Again, this is a 8x5 lace wig. Okay, so it's not a lace frontal, but it does have a lot of space. I like an 8x5 now better than a whole lace frontal because it still gives you enough space, whether you want to do like a little cute half up, half down, not a full half up, half down, but just like a little cute one. You could do that. And also I can hold the hair back in a little ponytail if I would like to, but the lace, it gives me enough space for me to also like switch up my parting space if I don't want to do a middle parting space. Okay, if I could be honest with y'all, if you're still new in the wig space and just don't know where to start, but you still want a beautiful long let down your hair Rapunzel, this wig is for y'all. Okay, if you like that body wave texture, I think this unit is perfect. I haven't really gotten a lot of shedding with this unit, which is a plus. Although it is a body wave, I feel like it's still a little, it gives me more of a curly texture, so you will be getting you know, some shedding here and there. But for me to rock this unit every single day and wet it a couple times, I don't think I've gotten like extreme shedding on this unit. But don't get me wrong, it's still there, but it's not like a lot. So I wanted to get my mousse and just like, okay, y'all see this is how much shedding I got so far, just like running my hands through it. But I wanted to get my mousse just to start opening up the hair a little bit more so then it can be a lot more fuller. And I just love this look. Now, normally I usually grab my spray bottle with conditioner and water and then I spray it down and then I brush it out. But this time around I was like, no, let me just go ahead and get my mousse and it's gonna just still get the job done. Because I want the lace to look like scalp, I'm just applying a little bit of that foundation onto the lace. And yeah, girl, this is pretty much it. I feel like this was such an easy unit to throw on. She does not need a lot of work. So I am going to pluck just a little bit over here. You didn't have to. Like, honestly, I did just a little bit of plucking. But other than that, that is the most customizations that I did to this unit, and obviously create a little bit of baby hair. But yeah, girl, I really like this unit. I think she's cute. She's very long. She's full. I'm low-key tempted to like rocking more long units. I'm like, this is cute. So I'm just grabbing my wax stick just to make sure everything is flat and there's no flyaways. And this is it for this unit, guys. As always, I'm gonna have all the details in case I have any discount codes. It will be in the description box. So if you want to grab her while you can, girl, do that because she is one of a kind. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. I love y'all as always. Now, Pandasana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.